In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to prevent WordPress users adding a category or tag. If you have many authors and contributors on your blog or site, then you may want some of them to not access some categories on your site. To do this, first you need to install and activate the Publish Press Permissions plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now, if you notice, you'll see the capabilities icon on your dashboard. Go to the icon and click on Settings. Then click here on Core. And make sure that these options are enabled. Then go to Post and click on Categories. Now, I want to hide this category from the author role, so click on Edit on this category, scroll down to the Permissions meta boxes, and we don't need these two meta boxes. So go to this meta box, Permission Assign Categories to Posts. Now here you can choose which role you want to block to assign this category. I'm just going to block it for the author role. You can also select particular users from here. Then click on Update. Now I'm just going to go to my users, and I have a plugin installed that lets me switch between users really easily. So I'm just going to switch to this user. And when I create a new post, in the categories section, you can see that this user can't access the category that we blocked earlier. This is how you can prevent WordPress users adding a category or tag. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.